Welcome back to the channel and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial how to create split color text effect using stroke. Type your text and duplicate the layer. On the first layer apply a solid color. On the second layer change the stroke color to contrast. Shift the stroke layer slightly to create offset. This gives a split two tones like text decision. You can change stroke weight to match the visual width. Try using complementary colors for vibrant contrast and add a subtle shadow to enhance the separation. Merge layers once you are satisfied with spacing. Add gradient overlays for more depth. Adjust alignments for center precision.